pick out the one. Babe! Alright guys, so we just picked up the mattress. So we're gonna set it up now. Finally. Can just get this out of the way and sleep comfy tonight. So babe, I'll pull it out of the box first. Woo.
Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know be die for nothing.
Guys, the place is coming together. I'm in love. Okay. I want to chuck off my bed, but it's not fully inflated yet, so I'm not gonna. But then, you know, it's still the fourth space.
I'm not full of it.
Okay.
Okay, then
You broke?
we
Show them. So guys, look at the rods that babe picked out. I'm fabulous, don't they? The gold we're gonna tie in back with the gold mirror there, so baby, have a look up. Babe, you know back here, So guys, look how they look fabulous. The gold tie in back with the gold mirror. Babe, pick out the one here. Babe! Guys, them fabulous. Fab. Let me see. Yes. Yes to this side. That side no come up. No draw what I did. Yes. Alright. Wow. See me down at the TikTok. Got to show you the mattress fully, or probably could have inflate. Inflate, that was the word. I don't know. Probably could have inflate. Inflate that word?
I think so, yes.
Probably could have inflate some more, but it's been 24 hours. So yeah, so we are gonna spread it up now. We are gonna put on the mattress protector, and we are spread up with my nice comforter set, and put on my little decor and stuff, put my little nightstand them, put up my fake plants, and just showing you the look overview. So the only thing I got missing from the room are the rug. And when me did go and Bashko, other day me see one rug at Bashko me I go buy. So anytime I go back at Ochi, I buy the rug. Alright guys. Fabulous. Just fab. Baby over here laugh after me. So we just finished making the bed. Guys, we're gonna put on a little decor. So on the bedside tables, we're gonna put up the olive plant. So the olive plant pot there. And I put it at the mirror, so probably you can see it look.
Babe. There's 11 person people. Watch out.
You might not chop off the
If an elephant, you couldn't do that. Like, all kind of way we can use it.
might not chop off your hand.
I don't care. Just in case you never know, elephant people can use both hands. Come on. Easy 1, 2. See? It shall be good. 3. Go on, 1.
But what? No wonder it's so damn heavy. Me tell them somebody want cement pot in or something. Well, not happening, you know.
You want water? I need them kind of.
Fuck. They send for moss. So I go put it on the rooms. No wonder. Oh, gee, they must cement the paper shit, you know? Literally. No wonder. Oh, this so heavy.
Hold this on.
The people are wicked.
You say kill me and everything.
You look real good.
It'll take time to prepare, but they're leaving. Oh.
Yeah, go first them out.
Wait. What is? Because you're talking elephant people.
Tall, that's shaggy. You like it tall on the mirror too. No, it's not too tall. They will look fabulous in the picture, you know. Look at them. Yeah, it takes so long.
Babe, see them? You know I'm sure.
So put in, you know?
And you don't know how to do. Oh, but it have 2 arrows.
Yeah, so that make that much to make it get it so that.
Okay, though.
You don't know? Fabulous, guys. Okay. Taller than me. So tall. No. Alright, put it in like that. Yeah, what is it? Go to that. And we can do information. I want things that like you go dead. Every minute they like dead. Extra. Alright, you guys, so we are finished. We made the bed, as you can see, and we added our little decor of the nightstands. That's my Mother's Day gift right here. It's a video frame, and Our olive plant is here, looking beautiful, right beside the mirror. Bye. And of course, the beautiful curtains. And what? Guys, let's say, tell me what you think. But didn't want to put all of them here in the one with when them vase here. But babe say look better with them two. Look one in there. So you wanna tell me what you think about that. So now what I need for the room now is a rug right here. I need a little like accent chair in the corner, and what else did say? I don't remember. But I think after that everything is finished. Let me show you guys how it looks in the dark. You know, oh, I have to turn off the light here. Hold on, guys. Not really show you, you know. You not really show you the true beauty. You not really show the true beauty, but you get the idea, you get the mood, you know? Yeah. So that's it, you guys. Turn on back the lights and this light here. And to finish up, I'm just gonna hold on, focus or something. I'm gonna use my linen spray from Paradise Fruitages and just spray on the linen in the house and a little bit on the plant because they have one weird smell I don't like. And spray a little bit on the pampas grass because we hold the scent. But that's it for the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and stay tuned for more. Bye for now, you guys.